We're going to run through the 3 modes on our Punters V3 rangefinder very quickly. The first mode's the mode that you use 99% of the time. It's standard distance mode with flag lock, and then you've got the option here on the side to have slope on. You'll see that little green line there when slope is on, or slope off by just flicking the switch here forward to make it tournament conforming. So when you look down the barrel, you're going to see a little flag icon in the top left-hand corner, and it's going to say SD in the right for standard distance. Now that flag icon means that it's going to lock onto any flag. And if you're having troubles, for example, there's a hole like this where there's trees in the background, it does have the tendency to pick up the tree every now and again. So in flag lock mode, if it does lock onto the trees behind, all you've got to do is simply shoot the rangefinder at the ground to reset it, and then you can go again. Click the button and drag it over the flag and you'll get an accurate reading. Our second mode is just standard distance mode without flag lock. It works basically the exact same, except it doesn't have any flag lock technology. So you'll notice when you hit the button in this mode, it'll shoot a laser straight away and give you a reading straight away. And this mode is very useful just scoping out bunkers, scoping out any water hazards, or any distances that you want to get. Just hold the rangefinder down and whatever it's pointing to, it's going to give you that reading straight away. And our final mode is HT mode. This is useful for foggy mornings or when the sprinkler's on or when it's raining, because in SD mode, your rangefinder is going to find it very hard to pick up because the laser is going to hit the raindrop, hit the fog, hit whatever. So you've got to switch it to HT mode, and then all you've got to do again is click the button once and drag it over the flag, and you'll find you'll get a lot more accurate readings. So if we go through the rangefinder here, you can see we've got our slope on and off button, and then we've got our USB-C recharging on the back, so that's where you plug it in and recharge your rangefinder. And this right here is our 7x magnification, so you can adjust the focal point for whether it's a short pin or if it's very far away, you'll be able to see it perfectly clear. And then we've got our on button here. That's the button you also use to zap the flags, and then that's our mode button. The only time you're going to use that button is when you're changing modes. And the last thing to mention is if you do have shaky hands, we've read a lot of comments about people having troubles with rangefinders in the past. You'll see in this video that will pop up a little on screen that you'll see it's very easy. All you've got to do is hold the rangefinder over the flag, and if you drag it across or if you shake it across, whatever you've got to do, it's still going to pick up an accurate reading. And if you have any other dramas, make sure you contact our support team. They'll be happy to assist you. Support@puntersgolf.com.